Assalamu alaikum, gorgeous people. I hope you guys are doing great. I went ahead and created this holiday glam cut crease makeup tutorial with a sexy red lip. If you would like to learn this look or just be inspired by this look, then just keep on watching.
Is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
Let's go ahead and get started. I'm taking my Urban Decay Pore Perfecting Primer, applying that all over my face, topping it off with the Revolution Liquid Illuminator all over my face as well.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
I'm going to be taking my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation and applying that all over my face. Taking a small stippling brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Going in with my Beauty Blender, I'm just going to erase any harsh lines the foundation has formed. Now taking my MAC Pro Long Concealer, I'm just going to be applying that underneath my eyes. On top of my nose, forehead, and under my jawline, and blending that out.
What we're gonna do, I feel so blessed that I can be with you. God knows that I belong.
Now, of course, taking my all-time favorite Ben Nye banana powder, I'm going to be baking my face.
Shining just for you, let's take a walk. And we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place.
I'm going to get started with the eyes, taking my Naked Heat palette and the color Low Blow. I'm going to start applying that in my outer crease.
Go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Now taking my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to be applying those two shades right on top of that transition color.
Beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day.
Going back in with that same palette, I'm taking those two darker shades right there and applying that right on top in my crease. Now, I'm not too worried about this looking a little messy right now. We are going to be cutting the crease later, which is going to sharpen up and clean the look. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend out those colors. Going in with my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade 01, I'm going to be cutting my crease.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
Going in with my Carly Bible palette and that off-white color, I'm going to be setting that crease that I have cut. Now taking my favorite NYC liquid liner, I'm going to be applying a winged liner. Using my NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium and a Gold Glitter by NYX in the shade 08, I'm just going to be applying that where I cut my crease.
It's me with a smile, it's quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
Now I'm going to be wearing this gorgeous lashes. These are the Platinum Princess lashes by Eylure. Taking that brown beige tone, I'm going to be smudging on the bottom of my lower lashes.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
For bronzer, I'm taking my Lancome bronzer in the shade Solaire.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill.
Going in with my Anastasia contour kit, I'm taking the shades Havana and Java and contouring my face. For blush, I'm using this Morphe palette in 9B and taking that rosy color and applying that on my cheeks.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Doing my favorite part now, taking Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. I'm going to be applying highlighter to my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead. Of course, you know I gotta top it off with my Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my favorite. Now taking a lip liner by Italia in the shade Cabaret, I'm going to be lining my lips.
Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
On top, applying the Stila liquid lipstick in the shade Rico. I'm just going to blend those two colors out. And topping that off with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amsterdam.
I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
And that completes the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate bar.